Imagine turning your home into a fortress of elegance, protected and admired by everyone who sees it. A stone fence can do just that, but is it worth the investment? Let's break it down in just under 2 minutes. Stone fences are more than just barriers. They're works of art. Durability? Unmatched. These fences can stand strong for centuries. No termites, no rot, no weather worries. Low maintenance? Absolutely. A stone fence doesn't need painting, staining, or constant repairs. Install it, and it's good to go for a lifetime. And let's talk about style. A stone fence instantly adds class and sophistication to any property. Fun fact: the Great Wall of China, made of stone in many sections, has lasted for over 2,000 years and is still a global icon. Of course, there are a couple of considerations. Yes, cost can be higher than other materials, but think of it as an investment. Stone fences rarely need repairs or replacements. And sure, installation takes time, but it's worth it for something that will outlast you, your kids, and maybe even your grandkids. Flexibility? It's not the easiest to modify once built, but that's because stone is built to last. A stone fence isn't just a boundary, it's a legacy. It offers strength, beauty, and peace of mind that no other material can match. If you're looking for long-term value and timeless appeal, this is your best bet. So, are you ready to make your property truly stand out? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ways to upgrade your home with style and purpose. Should you require professional help, you can contact us at this number or on our site at this link. See you next time.